So why does your iPhone keep doing things on its own? Let me explain it and let me show you how you could fix it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. Like, there are more reasons and more things which could be going on. So at first, sometimes it might happen that some features get enabled without you knowing, right? And it appears that your phone is doing things on its own. A great example is the reachability feature, right? Like, I might just do this without realizing, and the screen kind of like moves on its own, but it's actually a feature, so it's not really a problem. This is called reachability. It's part of the accessibility and touch section in the settings, and you can disable the reachability as such, and it's no longer working. Also, since we're in here, there is also the back tap feature, which you can decide that when you double tap the back side of the phone or even perform triple tap, some features get enabled, and without you knowing that, for example, it might happen that this gets selected automatically, right? If I wouldn't know it, right, that I have the double tap feature enabled, I would basically be able to just double tap with the back side of my phone and it would take a screenshot, and I would be like wondering why it's doing things on its own. So that's something you can disable. But then it might be caused by a glitch in the software, right? So if you don't have the latest version of iOS running, just go to settings and software update to see if there's anything new you can get. Like, I haven't updated to iOS 26.5, so I guess it would make sense to get that version. And last but not least, let's not forget that the phone might be having some kind of damage on the display. And you can use some apps like this one, which is called Phone Diagnostics, which essentially lets you check out the functionality of the phone, like test out features like multi-touch or the digitizer, where you can see if every area of the display gets responsive, right? So that's like a way to make sure that the screen is working properly, because if it doesn't, if the digitizer is damaged, then it might mean that you don't even mean to press anything, but the screen kind of like presses itself on its own, if that makes sense, right? So I would just encourage you to make sure your screen works fine, and then it should definitely be solved, right? So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, but definitely subscribe to this channel for more, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.